Hi, welcome to Vegan Finds, and today we're going to be cooking skillet mac and cheese with broccoli and cheddar. It's a very simple dish. One quick tip I will give you is that when you're boiling the pasta, we use Barilla gluten-free pasta, and we boiled it for 10 minutes. At the 6-minute mark, take your broccoli, throw it in with the pasta. That way you don't need an extra pot. You're killing two birds with one stone here. And apparently killing two birds with one stone is not vegan, so don't kill two birds with one stone. I just got the death glare from my wife. So it's a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Oh, that's not good either. Let's see. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. Nope, that's not good either. All right. So anyway, don't do anything bad to the animals. This is all vegan. It's delicious. All right. So what we have here is vegan mac and cheese with broccoli and cheddar made in a skillet. Well, okay. So in order to start the broccoli and mac and cheese skillet, got to make the cheese sauce. So into the blender I'm going to be putting in some 1.5 cups of soaked cashews, 3 cloves of garlic go in here, and a 1/2 tablespoon of miso paste. This is white or miso paste. We're going to do a squeeze of lemon, 1/2 cup of Nutritional yeast. That gives it the cheesy flavor that we're looking for. Okay, to finish off the cheese sauce, we're adding 3 cups of almond milk. You can use any kind of non-dairy milk that you like, almond, oat, macadamia nut, doesn't matter. Use 3 cups and then blend this until it's a smooth paste. Okay, so into the skillet is going to go the cooked pasta. I have 1 pound of penne pasta. That's gluten-free. I believe it is from, I want to say Barilla, but I'm not 100% sure. And the cooked broccoli. So I'm just going to dump that into our skillet here. So now it's dumped in. I'm going to add the cheese sauce that we just made. So here we are adding the cheese sauce that we just made. It's super creamy, super cheesy. And I'll start mixing that in to the skillet. So on top of the skillet, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of the So Delicious Cheddar Cheese Shreds. And now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs from 4C. These are the gluten-free. Actually, I'm not going to add a 1/2 cup because that's plenty bready. And we're going to pop that in under the broiler for probably about 10 minutes or so until the cheese just melts. And we'll be good to go. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's been in the broiler for a good 10 minutes. Ours is not, the rack is not set all the way to the top, so yours may brown faster. I'm going to scoop some out. Oh, you can hear a little bit of the crunch there. Just looks and smells fantastic. If you want to grate a little bit of vegan Parmesan, go right ahead. You don't have to, but this is what it will look like in the bowl. And I'm about ready to eat. So if you like these videos, I suggest you hit the subscribe button, the little bell for the notifications, leave a comment. Don't forget to go to our first video to be entered into our contest to win Isa Chandra Moskowitz's I Can Cook Vegan cookbook. All you have to do is subscribe and leave a comment on that first video so we know who you are. And enjoy!